Hey, Big Pop, and I had shotgun in there. I'm going to roll this gate, and I'll let y'all see it for yourself. I'm starting a new video gate down here in Tennessee. Shotgun sounding good, and Big Poppa sounding good. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the way.
I made that gate, man. 018, I don't know. Man, the Great Lakes, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis. 018 Tennessee Beavis. I just wanted to wave old Tiger Paw there in the Great Lakes, man. Don't mean to hijack your video game. Man, you got that thing down. That's a doggone real. But that's how it is when you Southern brothers start bumping that big old hammers. Hey, 018 Tennessee Beavis. Yo, Shotgun, Massachusetts, me and this no talking station got up.
Well, I'm going to tell it like I heard it, and I heard a little bit of everybody in there. Y'all was swapping licks. And at the end, old Shotgun just come in here and clean house. You'll see it on the gate. Shotgun, it got me in the red. 018 waving.
Okay, Mr. Tennessee Beavis, while you working them donkey stoppers? I be looking at them videos too, man. There's some good looking cotton beggars. One of these days, Mama gonna put a great big old check in my hand. I'm gonna give me one of them cotton beggars. Hey, Mr. 018. Tell that cotton beggar, Big Poppa, that I'm gonna let him have his radio back. Tell him I'm gonna let him have his radio back. Ain't nobody but Shotgun, the man. Hey, everybody love to hate in Massachusetts. I'm gone.
Well, I'm going to tell it like I heard it, and it is what it is. Big Poppa Shotgun said you could have your radio back. Big Poppa Shotgun want to tell you could have your radio back, but I'm going to tell you something. It's a Mother Nature thing. You know, she switches back and forth. Y'all all swapping licks. 1 minute want to be on top, next minute the other to be on top. It's just the way it is. It's just how Mother Nature wants it to be, the way it's going to be. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the Memorial Weekend lead.
Big lady down the window, shaking my radio down here in the case dog, blowing my window down here. Making all that noise in the 2000.
My daddy. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get off here, y'all. We got some company. Hope you all have a good one. We're gonna end this gate. We got a little company. We'll catch you later. 018 Tennessee Beavis. Say bye, 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 bye. I'll see you. Bye.
Keystone.